There's one more way to create a service that I didn't talk about in the last section, and that's filters. In Angular, filters are really just a service with a specific kind of name. So first, let's look at a simple filter. When presenting a class list, we want to display the ratings for each class. So I create a little controller with a list of classes with ratings. And then up here, I've created a filter that will display the ratings. So let's see this magic at work in the browser. Now, as I said, filters are just a service with a specific kind of name. So let's say for a moment that I wanted to programmatically call my rating filter from within some code in my controller. I know this is a contrived situation, but there are certainly times when this becomes convenient. So if I go to my controller and I add a dependency on ratings, then my page is going to break. We can see I'm getting an error here. But if I add a dependency on ratings filter, then all of a sudden the page is working again. So the filter function just creates a service and appends the word filter on the end. And when you use a filter, Angular will add the suffix when it goes to find that filter. So looking here in our HTML, we can see that when we go to display the rating, we're looking at the filter ratings. Angular is just taking this word, adding the word filter onto it, and then looking it up like a service, just like this. So to prove that this ratings filter object is really the same exact filter as we have up here, I'm going to go down here and create one more scope variable. And a filter is just a function that needs to take in a value, and ours needs to take in an integer. And I'll go back to my HTML and bind to that myRating variable. We refresh, and we can see that we're getting our 3-star rating. So let's do one more thing, and let's switch around how we create this ratings filter service. Let's change this from filter to factory, and change the name from ratings to ratings filter. We'll go back to our browser and refresh, and everything still works just fine. And there we have it. Filters are really just services with a specific naming format.